Greetings, happy Monday. Hope you had a lovely weekend. And here we are in the month of June. So, new week and new month. Hope you had a lovely weekend and you're feeling rested and ready to embrace this new energy. If you're here live, say hi. But this Moira here with our usual letting go guidance session. So, this is where we just kind of tap into the energy of what's going on. How are you feeling? And we're going to look at what can we focus on letting go of in order to more fully align with who we truly are and bring our gifts and find our purpose and make sense of all of this game of life that we play. So I just mentioned that we've stepped into June. June from a numerology point of view is a 6. So it's all about celebration, but balance and harmony and coming from love. So these sort of energies swirl around us. And so what kind of intentions or goals or things do you need to change or tweak or bring in for yourself in order to, Mesha, hi, nice to see you here. So what kind of things do you need to bring into being in order to feel more of that love, to be of service from your heart, but also from a space and pace of harmony, balance, and connection with you at a deep level. I don't know about you, but hi Annie, good morning. I don't know about you, but the pace of what we're doing has shifted. And so I hope you're allowing yourself a wee bit of time to just check in on a regular basis. Is this, the right choice? Is this guiding me towards what I intend or what I want in my life? And so all of that being said, the other part to share with you that's going to be impacting all of us is the cycle of the moon. We are still in the action phase and we have a full moon, I believe it's on Friday. So we're still taking action. So one of those actions, because of what we're stepping into with June, could be making sure that you write down your intentions. What would you like to achieve in this new moon? Yes, pace. Mesha says pace. Absolutely. I don't know about you, but the old ways, which we now know didn't work for any of us because the whole COVID thing has helped us have a reset. But the old pace wasn't serving us. We were feeling stressed and burnt out and not really making the best of our resources. So now this is why I'm saying, take a pause and say, am I working? Am I doing things at my right pace? It's not up to anybody to dictate your pace. It's time for you to do this reset and check in. What is your pace? So, hello, Nadal. I hope that's how you say your name. Nice to see you here. So, all that being said, like I said, I just like to feel into what the energy is, and then we're going to take a deep breath and I'm going to shuffle the letting go guidance cards. So just park any of those busynesses or the ideas of those intentions that I suggested you start making. Take a nice deep breath with me. I'm going to land fully into this moment. And we're just going to drop in that little question. What is there for us to let go of in order to more fully align with our core, to more fully bring our unique gifts, our unique essence into the game of life that we're all playing together? And let's see what comes up for us today. And this one's come up for us before. So it's gossip and spreading rumors. That's all too prevalent at these times. I think of how many times I've seen little pieces or people wanting you to watch different videos or watch different headlines. Let's all just stop. I just said that about keep coming back to access your wisdom, your guidance. You may resonate with other people's stories, but make sure that you're not being carried off into something else or, even buying into some other kind of indoctrination. So let me read this out to you. Like I said, I believe we did this one just quite recently, but obviously this is the time we live in, is that this is the time to look at what's the next layer of this idea or this propensity to tell stories, to get caught up in other ideas or ideals that are not really our own, that are not in alignment with our own sense of divinity, our own connection with Source. So let me read this out. In the book, The Four Agreements, Don Miguel Ruiz taught us four simple truths to live a life of peace and happiness. The first rule is to be impeccable with our word. I love that whole concept, that impeccable with your word. Are you? Are you being impeccable with your word? Are you saying what you mean and meaning what you say? Now, expressing yourself impeccably is to express yourself in the direction of truth and love, which is what I said. Love is the big theme. Love, harmony, balance. So truth and love this month. This includes expressing love, respect, and acceptance for yourself. Emotions of jealousy, envy, frustration, and sadness fall into the category of not being impeccable. Another aspect of being impeccable is to be without fault or blame. That means to refrain from expressing gossip, rumors, criticisms, judgments, or find fault with yourself or someone else. Being without criticism in your expression doesn't just mean with the words that you speak, but with the thoughts you think also. Refraining from blaming people will lead you to take total ownership and responsibility for your life. I love that, and I can actually really feel into why that may come up as something for us to focus on as we step into this new month, which is what I'm saying. It's about love-based service to really find that sense of harmony and balance and make sure, are you accessing your inner truth, your unique sparkle of source energy? Are you bringing that in? So just breathe that in. See how that sits for you. How does that come up for you? How does that show up for you? Do you beat yourself up? Do you listen to that inner critic too much? Do you tell stories or repeat things that you're not sure are true or not? Again, take another nice deep breath. I'm just shuffling my tarot cards because I like to pull one tarot card after that letting go, and then I'm going to pull 3 angel cards to give us just some more support, loving guidance, things of that nature. So here's the card that came up as the 8 of Cups. So the 8 of Cups kind of says that it's time for us to let go of the way we thought things should be. Remember that should doesn't serve us. So it's time to take yourself forward. That's actually a really powerful piece because the energy of June is extremely uplifting, exciting. See if that can help you ignite the fire in your belly to allow yourself to, could even make a quantum leap in all of this. In June, you're very, very supported by moving forward, taking action, trusting that you will recognize the guidance. To flip inner critic? Oh, yes, we all do, don't we? It's time to let go of that inner critic. So anyways, what I'm saying about is maybe that is this impeccable with your word is thank you, inner critic. I'm safe. I'm going on my own. I'm carrying forward. And I'm recognizing that I am on track. Truth is, we all are. It's just what story are you telling yourself about that? Okay, so I've just been shuffling these Doreen Virtue's angel cards, and I'm going to pull us 3 cards to just sort of dig into this a little bit more, to give us a little bit more support on that idea of letting go of the propensity to listen to critical or wrong words for us. This is awesome. So remember I said to you at the beginning, setting your intentions. This is focus. So by letting go of that critical or that gossipy or judgy voice or conversation, whether you're having it out, like outwardly with other people or inwardly just with yourself and your different people on your inner committee. So setting your intentions. I think this is the perfect day to just, even if you just sit and jot down a few things. That's what I did this morning, was just a few bullet points of here's some things I want to, or I intend to manifest or create or be or do. But guess what? The actions that we're going to be taking are all about harmony. And that's what I said to you: harmony, balance, celebration. And so then what the outcome is we actually really tap into the support that we always have had around us from the universe, from our guides, from our own higher self. So it really feels like, and there is no accident why this card came up again, this letting go of gossiping and spreading rumors. Like I said, I think it came up maybe just the week before last. This one is like such a leveled up version of it. Now we're really being called to let go of any of those. In my mind, I'm seeing it as a jacket, like big, heavy winter clothes. It's time to take them off and celebrate who you are inside. Share your heart, share your wisdom, share your gifts, your messages, and do it with a sense of play and with connection to your deeper core self. Good morning, Sandy. Hope that resonates. I hope that sits well. Let me know if you need any help with that inner dialogue. And above all, enjoy and embrace this beautiful, beautiful new month of June. I wish you a wonderful week, and I'll look forward to checking in with you again next week. Thanks for watching. Much love.